The Nokia 3.1 Plus. It's got a 6-inch screen, dual cameras to the back, an octa-core processor, and probably a price tag of under 10,000 rupees. Excited? I certainly am. Hey guys, Ash here from C4eTech. Let's cut this intro short and jump right into the unboxing. If you do end up liking this video, please don't forget to turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon. And oh yeah, we have a monthly giveaway. You can join in by clicking on this card right here. Check it out if you haven't yet. I'm sure you guys must be familiar with Nokia packaging by now. We have the blue cardboard box with some specs to the back and a bit of branding to the sides. Opening it up, we first have the phone itself. Let's take it out of the plastic cover. Whoops, looks like it got turned on by mistake. Anyway, let's let it boot. It's got a textured finish to the back, almost like a soft case. We then have a SIM ejector tool, a few information booklets, a pair of earphones with an inline mic. Nice to see HMD Global still including these in the box. Then there's a micro USB cable and finally a 10-watt travel adapter. Coming back to the phone itself, I must say I really like how the Nokia 3.1 feels in hand. The textured back finish feels very grippy and I didn't feel like I was gonna drop the phone even while using it single-handed. Now that's high praise for a phone that comes with a 6-inch display. Yes, this is a 6-inch 18:9 HD Plus panel and I have to say in the little time I spent with it, it looked really great. Flanking that display to the top, we have an 8-megapixel camera, sensors and the earpiece along with some Nokia branding. Above that, we've got the 3.5mm headphone jack, thankfully that's still there. That and the secondary noise cancelling microphone. The right houses the volume rockers and the power button. These are quite flush with the surface but decently clicky, so I guess that's okay. To the left, we've got dual slots, so 2 SIMs plus micro SD, nice to see dedicated support here. And finally, the bottom houses the speaker grill, a micro USB port and the primary microphone. Pushing all these pixels, we have a Helio P22. Now we've seen this chip on the Redmi 6 before and based on our experience with the Redmi 6, I feel this could be a good performer. We have 8 Cortex A53 cores clocked in at 2 GHz and on the GPU side of things, we've got the PowerVR GE8320. Along with that, we get 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of onboard storage. Of course, dedicated micro SD support is there. Rounding off the specs is the 3500 mAh battery. Yep, the screen is large, but the resolution is only 720p and the P22 is built on the power efficient 12nm process, so I am hopeful about the battery life here. Onto the software side of things, we have stock Android 8.1 Oreo on board with an update to Android Pie slated to be in the works. Nokia thus far has been really good with regards to updates, so I expect them to continue that streak with the 3.1 Plus too. And of course, being under the Android One banner, this interface is pretty much left untouched. But HMD Global have put in a bit of their personal flair onto the camera app. So before we dig into the camera, let's take a look at the hardware that powers it. We have a 13-megapixel primary shooter coupled with a 5-megapixel depth sensor. The photos, well, they are okay. The saturation feels like it's been cranked up a lot. The camera seems to be having trouble focusing on things close up, so we did get a couple of blurred out shots. But depending on the price, it could be okay. So why do I say depending on the price? Well, that's because we don't have the official price yet, and once we do, I will update the description below, so do check that space. Given how competitive they've been recently, and taking into account the fact that the 5.1 Plus is priced at 11,000 rupees, I guess this should launch somewhere around the 9,000 rupee mark, and if it does, it could be a good choice for people who care about stock Android and constant updates. Anyway, if you want to see a full review of this guy, let me know in the comments below. Also do tell me if you actually are looking forward to this one. And with that, I guess we've gotten to the end of this quick unboxing. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on what you felt about this video. Subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon. And I guess that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4eTech and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.